Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making lasagna and garlic toast in a Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting on my Ninja Speedi. I've set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding a pound of ground beef. And we're going to brown this up. Alright, now that my ground beef is about halfway browned up, I'm going to add in one medium onion I diced up. We're going to saute that in with the ground beef. And right before the ground beef and the onions are done, I'm going to add in about 2 cloves worth of garlic in there. I'm using the pre-diced stuff, and allow that to saute in there for just a minute. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up, I pulled it out and set it aside in a bowl. I turned off the saute setting. We're done with that. I'm going to put some sauce in the bottom of the pan. I'm using jarred pasta sauce. This is a 24-ounce jar. This is going to keep our lasagna noodles from sticking. You just want to spread that around. Alright, now I'm using oven-ready lasagna. You could use traditional lasagna, but you're going to have to boil it first, so this is the easiest way to do it. And I'm going to have to break these lasagna noodles in here to fit. And we're just going to layer them in here. This one here needs a little more off. And I'm going to break one in half to fill in the 2 gaps on the sides. But we don't want to break it in half that way. We want to break it in half this way. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a layer of sauce on here. And I'm just going to spread that around as even as I can get it. My lasagna noodles will calm down as they cook. They'll soften up. So a little more sauce. Alright, now I'm going to put a layer of ground beef in there. And if you're using fatty beef, you'll have to drain the fat off. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to put some ricotta cheese in there. And it don't have to be perfect because this stuff, as it cooks, it'll melt. Yes, Dexter. Dexter likes lasagna. He's like Garfield the cat. Now I'm going to smear this around. A little more in here. Alright, I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese in there. Shredded mozzarella. And then some shredded Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to repeat these steps till I run out of ingredients. Alright, I got my lasagna layered in. I can only get 3 layers in because I have to keep the top clear to put that top tray in then. I'm going to put the rest of the cheese and cheeses on when we throw in the garlic toast because we want to bake this first. So I'm going to close my lid down. Make sure we set on the air fry setting. Alright, now I'm going to turn on my Speedi. We're going to go to the bacon roast setting. We're going to set our temperature at 360. And I'm going to set the time for 20 minutes. Alright, now that my 20 minutes are up, I added the rest of my cheese in. I'm going to put my tray in. Pull out the little legs. Put on a higher setting. And I'm going to add in some garlic toast. And this is small enough I'll be able to get 5 pieces in. Now I'm going to close my lid down. We're still set on air fry. I'm going to leave that set on bacon roast at 360. I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. Then after the 5 minutes are up, I'll turn my garlic bread over and give it like 2 more minutes. Alright, my garlic toast is done. I did 5 minutes on the first side, 4 minutes on the second side, so I can get it nice and golden brown. I can see down in there my cheese is melted and it's got a nice little brown on it. I'm going to pull out my garlic bread and we're going to go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. We'll start with some of this lasagna. Try to get it up off the plate. Cheesy. Tastes good. You get the sauce, the ground beef, garlic, the onion. Let's go one more bite. That's really good, guys. Let me try a bite of this garlic toast. Hear that crunch? Crispy, garlicky. I mean, I can't say too much about that because it's garlic bread out of the box, but it goes good with the lasagna. Alright, there you have it. Lasagna and garlic toast and the Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.